What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to a real snowy, icy day. So you know what we gotta do when it's snowing icy? I gotta go teach y'all how to do a little donut. So last video we did was how to do controlled donuts in a vehicle in my 2015 Mustang GT. Y'all got me to 45,000 views. Come on, bro. And y'all got me to 1,000 likes, so like 900, same thing. 900, 800, 1,000 likes, same thing. I want to tell y'all thank you so much. And if a video on this channel with 17,000 subscribers gets almost 50,000 views, 43,000 views, I gotta do a part 2. Not really a part 2, but this is kind of how to do donuts in an automatic. That's what we're doing today. How to do donuts in an automatic. I need y'all leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you like the car, if you like what it sounds like, I need y'all leave a like, you know what to do, and comment the sound from 0 to 10, and comment my donut skills from 0 to 10. And then we're gonna also show you how to do it step by step in a Mustang. So first of all, just the breakdown. How to do donuts step by step in any car. This just has to be the car that I have, so that's what I gotta show y'all in. How to do donuts in any car, doesn't matter, and I'll show you the best way to do it in a Mustang. How about that? What y'all think about that? Then I'm gonna show you the best way to control it. You know what I'm saying? You can just try and spin a car, or you can control it like around a pole or around somebody, or like trying to do a cool video shoot, whatever you want. Is how to do donuts in an automatic. Let's go! Now before I start this, bro, if this sound good to you, you gotta leave a like. If you like the way the car look, ooh, this shit sitting mean, boy. If you like the way this car look right now, bro, you gotta leave a like. If you love Mustangs, you gotta leave a like. If you like Camaros, you gotta leave a like, bro. I don't care what you like, Challengers, Chargers, whatever. I know you wanted me to start this car, but if it sound good, you have to leave a like, bro. I need to get 10,000 likes on a car video. I never had that. Let's go. Quick start. If it sound good, you gotta leave a like right now. All right, YouTube, we got to the best part of the video. I'm about to show you how to do controlled donuts in an automatic vehicle. And first off, the car's off, you know what I'm saying? You gotta walk to that joint, walk to it however you want to, open the door. I know you're probably like, what the hell is he talking about? Why is he showing step by step? Some people don't know how to walk in the doors, you know what I'm saying? All right, let me check my footage. Everything's good, okay. First thing you wanna do, hey, leave a like for the steering wheel. Carbon fiber, you know what I'm saying? All of that. Leather, red spot in the middle. Anyway, let's get to the video. First thing you do, you walk in, you know what I'm saying? Handbrake is up. I hope your handbrake is up. You know what I'm saying? Handbrake is up. Park, foot on the brake. Engine start. Okay, car started. You gotta get one of these, bro. Like, come on, we're about to do donuts. Seatbelt fasten. Turn. Handbrake all the way down. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is put the car in my most sportiest setting. So move it to S. Modes, 1, Sport, Sport Plus, Track. We gotta put the traction control off. But in a Mustang, you gotta hold on it for about 5 seconds to put it all the way off, okay? That's all you gotta do. Advanced track is off. We're in track mode, 200 miles, we're about to probably finish it. My car has 100,000 miles. Go check the video out on how it's doing. Still phenomenal. Almost a full tank. Sport mode, traction control off, but all the way off, not just off level 1, or it's gonna stop the car from sliding, you feel me? Okay, so just turn the wheel and gas it. You see what I'm doing? All you gotta do is spin a wheel, spin a wheel, spin a wheel, tap it, spin a wheel, counter, tap it, spin a wheel, tap it, spin a wheel. That's all you gotta do. 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 Just keep flooring it a little bit. Turn the wheel, counter, 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 keep tapping the power. Keep flooring it, 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 keep flooring it. It's that simple, y'all. It's that simple. Now, what I don't like about that is I'm not in complete control, you know what I'm saying? So to be in complete control, we're about to put the car in manual, okay? So we're about to back up. I'm gonna show y'all a better way to do your donuts in automatic. If your car has a manual mode, please put it in manual. So in a Mustang, we put it in S. You hit the paddle shifter down, now it's stuck in manual. Now it's stuck in manual. Now you have the ability to control your power as much as you want, okay? It's real icy, so it's kind of difficult for me right now, but I'm about to control it as good as I can. I'm about to put the air off because I'm getting hot as hell. So now the car is in manual, and now we go again. Now I can really control the car. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Now I can really control it. See that? See that? I can really control it. The car's in manual. I'm controlling it way better. Way better, way better. All I'm doing is first gear, y'all. All I'm doing is first gear. 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 Just keep tapping the throttle. Keep tapping the throttle. We're in first gear. Let's see what happens if I switch to second. If I switch to second, I'm in second gear right now. So, okay, second gear feels good. Second gear feels good. Second gear feels good. Yes, sir. How to do control donuts in an automatic? If you got a manual, put it in manual. Come on. This shit feels good. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. We'll keep going. Hold on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on. All right, we're gonna do big donuts. Now to do a bigger donut, you turn the steering wheel a little bit, a little bit, a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. Okay, we're gonna try and do bigger donuts again. It's icy, so it's kind of difficult. And to put it in automatic, once again, I'm gonna put it in automatic and we're gonna see what happens, okay? See if it's harder or easier. See, I don't have control in automatic as much. So if you have an automatic car that has a manual mode, that's the best, that's your best chance. Okay, now it's time to take this off because it's getting mad hot and all that. But let me know how I did from a scale of 1 to 10. It was real difficult because it's icy and slippery, but you saw the difference in leaving the car in automatic mode and put it in manual if you have a manual car. But if you don't, you're just gonna have to do automatic and just do weird spins all the time. And it's easier when it's dry. believe it or not. It's easier when it's dry because there's more grip to kind of, you know what I'm saying, dictate on if you want to really lose more grip or use more grip and all that. But when it's icy or you're working with this ice, it's easier to slide, but it's harder to do controlled ones. But if y'all just wanted to slide your automatic, just turn the wheel, hit the gas, just keep flooring it, keep feathering the throttle as much as you can to control it, and you do a good job. But if you have a manual in your automatic car, you gotta use it. Better control, you know what I'm saying? But hey, let's go check out the wheels, see if everything's good real quick. Okay, so that's why I like doing it when it's raining and snowing, you know what I'm saying? I barely burn anything. That shit was phenomenal. If you see the curb rash, come on, leave a like. You know the curb rash life, bro. Come on. If you think I should fix it, leave a like, all of that. Comment your favorite part of my car. Let me know in the comment section right now. If this video helped, please leave a like. We got to share this video as much as you can. This helps a lot, you know what I'm saying? You liking this video and you commenting and rating and all of that really helps shoot this video and let other people see it. And it helps a lot of people and all of that. And it helps me make more videos. The more you like my videos, the more you subscribe, all of that. Come on. Come on. You know I got to make more videos as long as you do that. So, hey, leave a like, comment, subscribe. This has been your boy, BaffourHD. And I hope this really helped a lot. We out.